Hi, are you in search of a mid-century inspired home with modern upgrades? Then this might be the perfect home for you. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it also has a pool. Come with me and let's go check it out. This main living area is where you are going to want to be doing all of your living and all of your entertaining. It is incredibly spacious, high ceilings, at least 20 feet tall. We've got tons of windows, double stacked windows, letting in all of the natural light, especially on a beautiful sunny day like today. What we also have is a full height gas fireplace, a wet bar, and did I say entertaining? You will love entertaining in this home. This is just one of 3 amazing flex spaces in this home. Do you want to use it as a dining room? Check. Do you want to use it as a study? Check. Do you want it to be a den or a playroom? Check, check. You really can truly make this home whatever it needs to be to fit your lifestyle. And did I mention light filled and tons of windows? Yes, this room has it too. And here we've got flex space number 2. It's currently being used as a den. You could use it as a dining room. You could use it as a study. The options really are endless and up to you. Notice the beautiful engineered hardwood floors that are running throughout the entire home, the upgraded lighting, and just the space. Enjoy this Eden kitchen with lots of upgrades. You can see the engineered flooring. It continues in here. We've got beautiful stainless steel appliance, shaker style cabinet. You enjoy yourself and the fun. Cheers. You'll truly enjoy relaxing in this owner's retreat. It feels like an oasis, a spot where you can just get away from a busy day and relax. We've got vaulted ceilings, and again, access to the beautiful backyard, tons of windows, again, letting in lots of natural light. Level, but what is so special about this house and this second story is whether you have kids or you have extended family or you have guests for extended amounts of time. What's fantastic is that you've got 2 bedrooms up here plus